I sip way too much drink. I don't think I can think.
Baby, you know I don't wanna waste no time.
Take away your heart, girl, I got your card.
But it don't take nothing to change your mind.
If you need, I can stay for tonight.
YouTube, it's TT Logan and I'm back today with another video. Today I'm going to be creating this blue and teal glitter halo eye and nude lips. It's going to be a quick get ready with me, so I won't be talking through this. It will be a voiceover. But I did want to jump in and do my intro. So you all, if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Hey loves, so evidently I was filming and my camera was not recording. So I did miss the clip. But I'm just using my Bcosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette again. And I'm using the blue side, as you can see. So anyway, like I said, it's going to be a voiceover. And I'm just going to put some music on and let you all enjoy the video.
Jules, baby.
I can't just stop thinking about you. My love, yeah. My love, yeah. I said I can't just stop thinking about you. I ain't got no. Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá fẹ́ bọ́ sí ayé mi ò mi ò fẹ́ wàhálà máa gbé ìfẹ́ mi ò Olúwa fún mi láyà tó fọkàn balẹ̀ kàdúrà mi gbà kọ́ máa fi mí ṣẹlẹ̀. I don't want beautiful unless she's beautiful inside. I'll give you all if you're beautiful inside. Let me give you everything. I'm what you need, babe. What you need, babe. Baby, hakuna miwa. Baby, hakuna miwa. Baby, hakuna miwa. You in my mind, let us fly Puerto Rico, feed you burrito, let us do the under the sheet, yes, baby, it's okay, oh, it's okay, if I'm feeling you, you're feeling me, oh, it's okay, baby, it's okay, yeah, oh, yes, it's okay, oh, if I'm feeling you're feeling me, it's okay. Let me give you every day. I'm what you need, babe. What you need, babe.
Okay, y'all, I just wanted to add, first of all, if y'all haven't got up to speed with my videos, y'all already know I love, like I die for me, a pretty nude lipstick. Y'all, this lip combo is everything. I got this technique from LaRasia Andrea here on YouTube, and I used the same lip pencil. Girl, I went out and got this lipstick and this lip pencil the same day she did her video. So I used the same hot cocoa lip liner from NYX, and then I used NYX's Lingerie liquid lipstick in Corset, and then I felt like it was a little bit darker than what I like. So I did go ahead and add the Lingerie liquid lipstick that I already had in Babydoll. Y'all, Hands down, I freaking love this.
So that's the end of this Get Ready With Me. I hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and put your notification bell on so that you never miss an upload from me. Also, tell your friends to become my friends so we can all be friends.
Baby, I go do your body like skin tight. Why you go there by my side? To the end of time, you go that tight. Say you go there with me.
Say you the only one for me. Baby, can't you see?
Body like skin tight. I go there, your body like skin tight.
You go there